Can you tell us your name, please?
Ricky.
And Ricky, what did you come to Create Health for?
I had shoulder problems.
Okay, so how long has the shoulder problem been going on?
About 6-7 months.
6-7 months. And you went to see an orthopedic, correct?
Yes.
And what did the orthopedic tell you?
They told me I should go for surgery.
What kind of surgery?
Spinal surgery.
So you had pain in your shoulder, but they wanted to operate on your neck, correct?
Yes.
And they did an MRI, and that's what they decided, and they told you that you weren't going to get better unless you operated on your neck, correct?
Right.
Okay. You came in here, a friend referred you. I did an assessment on you. I said, hey, I think it's your shoulder. I see exactly what's going on. You had very limited range of motion. Can you show us how high your shoulder was able to lift? You could not physically lift your arm higher than that last week.
No.
We tried. I couldn't even do it for you because it was just too painful, right? We did one treatment with electroacupuncture, correct?
Yes.
Can you show us what your range of motion is? That is absolutely incredible. Not the first time I've seen it happen, but that's insane. Typically, frozen shoulder could take months or years, and sometimes they have to put you under and manually do it under anesthesia because it's so painful. So you still have some pain, right?
A little bit of pain.
A little bit
of
of pain.
Not as much as when I first came.
Could you put a percentage on how much better it is?
It went from 100 to about 50.
So we got about a 50% improvement in pain and almost 100% range of motion back.
Yes.
From one session.
Yes.
That's absolutely incredible. And are you okay with us sharing this for research and promotional purposes?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I hope you continue to get better and better. This should help a lot of people. Thank you, Ricky.
Problem.